We have trigonometric identities question today. We have very interesting. We find the angle from this question. If condition is given that f tangent x plus y into tangent x minus y is equal to 1, how we can find? Prove that tangent x is equal to tangent 45 degree is equal to 1. So we want to verify it. From the given condition is given that in here. So from this condition we can simplify this result. Tangent x plus y is equal to tangent x minus y is equal to 1. So we divide this term by, and here on both sides tangent x plus y is equal to 1 divided by tangent and x minus y. So according to the formula, as we know that, and here we write the formula, cotangent x is equal to 1 over tangent x, or we can write tangent x is equal to 1 by cotangent x. So this is the rule we can apply in here. Tangent x plus y is equal to, and here we change this one, cotangent x minus y. Again, if we change this rule by, because in here we are needed, and here tangent is required, so we change this cotangent, tangent into 90 degree minus pi by 2, we can write pi by 2, this one minus and x minus y. So because tangent is also in the first quadrant and the cotangent is also the first quadrant, but tangent and cotangent are opposite to each other in their reaction, so we can, now we get the result, tangent and tangent both are cancelled. To here is pi by 2 and 90 degree minus x plus and y. We have already this term is also minus is multiply to open the brackets. Now x plus y minus as plus x and minus y is equal to 90 degree. Because we are finding this angle 45 degree as will be x. So we get in here y is cancelled, 2x is equal to 90 degree, dividing both sides by 2, so we get 45 degree, 90 degree divided by 2, both are cancelled, and x is equal to 45 degree. So we get the answer of x is equal to 45 degree. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel, share this video, more and more. Thanks again for watching.